You don't look out there for God, something in the sky, you look in you. The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. The ego is nothing other than the focus of conscious attention. We cannot be more sensitive to pleasure without being more sensitive to pain. Never pretend to a love which you do not actually feel, for love is not ours to command. No valid plans for the future can be made by those who have no capacity for living now. Technology is destructive only in the hands of people who do not realize that they are one and the same process as the universe. The reason we want to go on and on is because we live in an impoverished present. The style of God venerated in the church, mosque, or synagogue seems completely different from the style of the natural universe. But at any rate, the point is that God is what nobody admits to being, and everybody really is. Trying to define yourself is like trying to bite your own teeth. So what is discord at one level of your being is harmony at another level. You are that vast thing that you see far, far off with great telescopes. Unless one is able to live fully in the present, the future is a hoax. A myth is an image in terms of which we try to make sense of the world. We identify in our experience a differentiation between what we do and what happens to us. Faith is a state of openness or trust. Religion is not a department of life. It is something that enters into the whole of it. The religious idea of God cannot do full duty for the metaphysical infinity.